guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. What is up? I hope you're all doing really well. So in today's video we have a guest, and the guest is my mother. Oh my god, I'm so excited for today's video, you guys. So in today's video we have my mom who's gonna do my makeup. My mom knows nothing about makeup, guys. Trust me, she knows nothing. She only applies lipstick and that is all. So you guys can see she only has lipstick on. She watches my tutorials all the time, so probably she should know something, right? So we'll see how she does. I have my makeup spread all over here. I will show you guys. I will not tell her anything. I'm gonna test her knowledge of makeup. What does she know about makeup? Start. My mom is like, she knows nothing. So I have everything over here. I have foundation, concealer, moisturizer, everything spread all over my table. Now it's up to her. She has to pick whatever she wants. She has to choose and apply it on my face. So let's start. You have primers, you have foundation. Look.
मुझे ये नहीं पता प्राइमर कितना लगाना है और फाउंडेशन. Okay. I will try.
So what's the first step?
Moisturizer.
Yes.
मैं समझी ये moisturizer है.
This is a sheet. This is my gel patches under the eyes, guys. I wish I could show you. Yes! My mom actually got the moisturizer.
मुझे एक बार पता था कि इसने कहा मैं सबसे पहले मैं फेस को मॉइस्चर करती हूँ.
Wow, this is so fun, guys. That's good. Okay, what's the next step? After moisturizer, what do we do?
पाउडर लगाती है?
No, bro.
वो जो होती है फाउंडेशन.
Yes. Yes, mommy. Yes.
मनाल की फेवरेट.
My favorite foundation. Okay, I'm not gonna say anything.
गलत है.
No.
ब्रश के साथ करते हैं ना.
My mom just used her hands. No. She doesn't watch my tutorials.
ये कंसीलर.
Wow.
इसका मुझे पता ना. ये मनाल का फेवरेट है टार्ट का.
Wow. Iconic.
किसी दिन पापा से करवाओ.
I will.
जरूर. अब ये हाथ से करना नहीं पता. नहीं बताइए.
I'm not gonna say anything.
इसके लिए ब्रश मेरा हाल यूज होता है. छोटा सा ब्रश. ये वाला मुझे नहीं पता. कर लो ये यूज.
I don't know.
ये नहीं ठीक है ना.
Mama, just do whatever you think is right.
ब्रश कौन सा देख लो.
Guys, you can see which brush this is. My heart is broken. It's fine.
कर दो.
Oh wow. By the way, I put my mom like on the spot. We didn't plan this. I just told her, Mom, I'm filming and you're gonna be there. So she didn't prepare for this. She doesn't know anything. Yeah, I did tell her. She was like, Manal, I don't know anything. I was like, I'll tell you during the video. But actually the point is, this is a challenge. My mom has to do my makeup without me saying anything. What are we doing next? My mom is doing a great job, guys. Comment down below what you think of it. What's next? Okay.
ये ब्राउज़र ही है ना.
Yes. My mom is literally like doing the thing because she's so nervous. Oh my god. What shade are you to?
I don't know. I think this one. क्योंकि ये थोड़ा इस्तेमाल हुआ हुआ ये. This is already used, so I will use.
Okay. Yeah. Oh wow.
Tap it.
Bro.
ये ब्रश ठीक नहीं है.
It be like that sometimes. Jawline check. My mom is like snatching me, you know.
Snatch.
Okay, what's next? Why are you going down? Please.
सच्ची मुझे नहीं पता मैंने
I
कभी
cannot. I'm muddy. Are you taking?
नट्स
What is this?
यहाँ सेंटर में लगाने के
Okay.
लिए
Tap off the excess. Bro, why are you doing everything here? Excuse me.
अच्छा
Wow.
ओके रख पल मैं साफ करूँगी
Guys, this is what happens when you don't watch my tutorials properly. What's next? Why are you so tense, mommy? Guys, my mom is so stressed out. This is not even funny. Like, this is the mascara. What's next? What do you think is missing?
लिपस्टिक लगाती हूँ ना
Okay, this is the lipstick she's gonna use. So this is the lip liner.
लिपस्टिक साफ करके दूसरी लगाऊँ
जो आपकी मर्जी. You can do whatever you want. This is my favorite lipstick right now. So mom is like, she can apply lipstick on herself properly, but on others, this is what it's gonna look like. So my mom is using a setting spray.
चलो
Are we done? पूछ रही हो? I'm asking, are we done?
यस
Okay. So you guys, this is my final look. Please rate this out of 10. Yeah, honestly, my mom has never done makeup. Even on herself, she only applies lipstick, nothing else. And she never applies makeup on anyone else either. So hey, it's fine. I understand, mommy. And happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
I hope you all liked this video. If you did, please make sure to like it and subscribe to my channel. And this is the makeup look my mom created. We did not cheat. I didn't help her with anything.
बिल्कुल भी नहीं
Nothing. So this all she did from her own mind. I didn't help her at all. I will see you guys in my next video. So until next time, goodbye.